Welcome to Crafting with Pretty Science AI edition. In this video, I want to show you how to create a t-shirt mockup in Midjourney and then edit it in different editing programs like remove.bg, and then we're going to bring it into Canva. Okay, here I'm in Midjourney. I'm just going to explore. I'll go to look for shirt mockup. Actually, t-shirt mockups. You have to put a T in there in the beginning. T-shirt mockup. Okay, I have shirt mockup. Okay, you see, you go through them and look for which one you can use. Not use, but the ones that you like. Okay, let's see this one right here. It says create a mockup for a blank shirt and jeans for Valentine's Day. Okay, you can leave away the Valentine's Day and you can leave away the jeans. And then let's say you copy this. Here is my imagine my where I can create things. I'm going to copy this, copy, and then paste it in here. And then we're going to remove some stuff. Create a mockup for a blank t-shirt and jeans. Um Sometimes the jeans is not that good. Let's take the jeans out. Okay. Mm. Wood, the background is wood grain background. Let's see what we can get. Well, what we wood grain background, and let's put a sneaker in it. Let's say green, um green sneakers, green sneakers. Let's say sneakers, okay. And then let's run it. Enter. And then it will create some things for us. And I'll go into my create right here, and it will create for us some stuff. Yeah, they will come up here. Hmm. Oh, I created it without knowing. Okay, we got some shirts. Some shirts. Okay, let's see this one. If you want, you can use it. I love the shoe on here. If this is useful, very useful. Let's go to the next one. Yep, this is good. Oh, this one is so good. We don't have to change anything of it because it showed the shoes on both sides. But we can still fix it. Oh, this is amazing. Amazing. Oh, this is amazing too, but the shoe is too far on the and the shoe is kind of wonky here. The shoe is too far on the shirt, so we don't need it. I think we can use this one and this one. If you want to, you don't have to change anything on it anymore. It's so perfect. They are so perfect. I'm going to download this one. Okay, and download also this one. Okay, we have them downloaded. Mm, I'm going to download this one also. I can use the shoe. Okay, so now I've downloaded them into my computer. Okay, I'll go to remove.bg right here. You can find it remove.bg, and you can click on it until you're here. And now I'm going to upload my file. Click on upload, and I'm right here. I'm going to work on this one first. This one right here will remove the background for me. I love that. You can download it HD, but you have to sign up, I think. You have to sign up. I forgot my password, so I didn't sign up. So you will get it in a bigger um um format. Okay, I'm going here. I'll download this one first. Okay, I'll download it. I have it. Okay, and now I'll erase some things. I'll erase the shoe. That is when I want to use the shirt with another color of shoes. Okay, erase the shoe. Erase the shoe. Erase the other shoe. Yeah. and I will have the shirt for myself. Okay, and then I'll click on done, and I'll download this blank shirt. Okay, let's see if I can go back to it. Okay, I'll upload the first one again. Here it is. I'll upload it again. Okay, and then now I will erase the shirt. I will erase the shirt. Okay, with one side of the shoe. You need to check which one you love. But even if it's one side of the shoe, you can still use it. Okay, and I have one side of the shoe. And I'm done. And I'll download the shoe also. Okay. Now I'll go into Canva. I'll go into Canva. And then I'll create a design. I'll take go to custom size 8.5 by 11. I have it in inch. 8.5 by 11 normal. And I'll go to uploads and I'll upload my designs. Upload. I have my blank shirt and I have my shoe. Okay. Upload them in here. This is when you don't have Canva Pro, but if you have Canva Pro, you can do everything else in here. I'll upload my shirt and then I'll drag it like so. This is if you don't have Canva Pro, you can still create these amazing how do you call this thing? These amazing mockups. Okay, we have this here, a shirt, and I'll go to my shoe. You see the shoe, we have only one side. You drag it like so, and like so, and so, and you make it bigger. Okay, after you made it bigger, you rotate it like this. No, after you make it bigger, okay, you rotate it, you duplicate it. You have two sides, and you have two sides. I don't know what you want to do. This one side can come here. You don't want to have two sides that look like each other. You can select it and go to flip and flip it horizontally. Okay, in this case it will be here like this. Oh, yep. And then you can group them and then make them a little bit smaller. I don't know how you want to put them. You can put them here. And then you have a brand new mockup. It depends on your perception. If you want the shoes to be bigger, you can make the shoes bigger. So you can go here in Midjourney and then create your own things. Okay. I did my sunglasses in ChatGPT. Okay, let me go and show you what I did. Here are my sunglasses. I put in realistic sunglasses, square, modern, gold color, thick frame mockup. Okay, and I got this. When I ran it, I got this. And then make them high angle because there's a I forgot art style like high angle. Let me show you. It make that thing from up from above, like top view. Let's go. Look, come on, high angle. This is a high angle. Mm, the art medium, art style, high angle. It's in here. You will find it. Come on, high angle, high angle, high angle, and you will get it. Let me see. So I wrote realistic sunglasses, square like modern gold color. mockup and high angle. I'll put it back in here. I'll put here comma, high angle, maybe not gold, let's say black color, black, high angle. Let's go back. I should have it here. So I work in Midjourney and in ChatGPT. So I use what can work for me. So that's how I make these mockups. And I can sell them as digital products. And I can also use them for my own stuff. Okay. With white background. Let me see what it's gonna do. White back. Oh yeah. Okay, I think I love this one. I'm going to use this one. Download it. And I'll go back to my place here. Upload my file. And then bring it in. Okay. And then we can make it smaller somewhere. Or wherever you want it on the shirt. And for the background, you can look for oh no, in elements wood grain background. Let's see all. There are different ones. This one looks good. This one looks good also. Right click, set the image background, and then you have it. Very nice. Very, very nice. And then you can save it as a PNG into your computer. Go to share, download PNG, and then download it. Okay, download it into your computer. And so you can make different ones. You can go back to here and make the shoes, or you can, since it's not for selling, you can also make them in here. You can make them in here in ChatGPT, not ChatGPT, sorry, in Bing. But the thing is, doesn't really show so realistic, but the shoes are good. You see the shoes? Those shoes are good. They look good. The shoes are so good. You can make them here. You can take your actually it should be create. You can take the same prompt and come in here and make them. Okay? Very, very useful. Let me see if we can find the prompt that we had. The prompt that we had. Create. Don't do that. Create a mock-up shirt for a blank shirt, wood grain background, and green sneakers. Okay, that's all the prompt. You can copy it and do it. And go to Bing and post it in here. Let's see what it will do. You can always come in here and change the color of your sneakers. Okay, we have all kinds of things here. It is nice. The shoes look good. The shirt look good too, but it's up to you if you want it. Let's say realistic. Realistic DSLR. Give us to use the Bing Create. That you have to have a Microsoft email account. Okay, let's go here. I didn't ask for DSLR. I asked for the. Okay, don't worry. The shoe is good. The shirt look good too. But you can always bring it to remove the RBG and take out the shoes. Look at that. The shoes are so nice. Look at that. So, so nice. Let's see. Mock-up of, let's see, blue sneakers. Mock-up of blue sneakers. Top view. Realistic. Okay. Mock-up of blue sneakers. Top view. I would use this for sure. This looks good. You can go in and change the colors. Like this. Copy image. Remove that BG. Just Control plus V. Let's see what we can get. Yep, it remove the background. And then you can use this for a mockup. Download it. So Bing stuff you can sell, but from ChatGPT and and Midjourney you can sell. But for creating mockups to sell your products, you can come in here and do it. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know if it was helpful to you and if you're going to try it. Thank you so much. I was able to make this. Thank you.